Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices.
So generally UGCNET stands for University Grant Commission National Entrance Test. So this exam is going to be biennially held. That means per year two times this exam is going to be taken place. So one is June third week and the second one is December third week, approximately like this in this months only. Conducted by the National Testing Agency on behalf of UGC, okay, on behalf of University Grant Commission. So right now the National Testing Agency is conducting. So before this National Testing Agency, Central Board of Secondary Education was conducted on behalf of the UGC, okay. And so those who qualify for the UGC NET exam are awarded two types, okay. The first one is a JRF and assistant professor, and the second one is a assistant professor, okay. So both these two are depends upon the score, okay. The cutoff score for the JRF and assistant professor is high comparing with the cutoff score of the assistant professor, okay, that all of you know who qualified yesterday, okay. And so now in this video I'm going to discuss about what are the chances on a brief, okay, in detail I'm going to do the videos in the next upcoming videos. So on a brief to get the overall idea in a simple idea, so I'm just discussing about what are the chances for the if you qualify for the JRF and assistant professor and if you qualify only for the assistant professor, okay. And so if you qualify for the JRF, you can able to enroll in the PhD course. The candidate is awarded a fellowship for the 5 years, okay. So of course it may award for the 3 years and sometimes it may extend up to 5 years. That depends upon the universities, in which university and or in which college you are pursuing the PhD, okay. That depends upon that one. And for the first 2 years you will get the fellowship of 31,000 plus HRA per month, depends upon the different institutes. And for the next 3 years you are going to get the fellowship for of 35,000 plus HRA. So that also depends upon the institutes. So in addition to it, so several other grants may also provided depending upon the policy of the concerned university, okay. The fellowship offered by the private universities and IIMs varies depending on their respective program policies, okay. So if you want to, I mean, if you are interested in any one particular college to do PhD or research work in that college, you just go to that official website of that college and you just search for the research policies in that college. But if you qualify the UGC NET JRF, definitely you are going to get the stipend for each and every month, whatever the college it might be, okay. So it is advantage of getting the JRF. And one more advantage is that UGC NET exam is essentially required for pursuing higher order research in university departments and institutes of national colleges and national laboratories and institutes of CSIR and various fields of science and technologies, okay. So if you, if you want to do the JRFs in any one reputed colleges just like the IITs, NITs, triple ITs, all these things, so UGC NET JRF qualification is mandatory and you are going to get the stipend per month also depending upon that university and depending upon the research program, okay. And if you qualify for the assistant professor, what are the advantages are there? See, nowadays the UGC is making mandatory that if you want to get the assistant professor job in any college or in any private college or in any universities, the NET assistant professor qualification is a mandatory. If you are having the NET qualification, then you will be given the highest preference. Then the candidates can explore to the best institutes across the country and start applying the post of assistant professor with a valid scorecard, okay. So candidates can expect a very good range of salary, that is 25,000 to 40,000 per month in the starting phase based upon the scores, skills and colleges, okay. So the qualifiers can also avail other career options by joining a faculty at a coaching institutes to train the aspirants of the UGC NET exam, okay. So you can be joined as a tutor, as a faculty in the coaching institutes to make the UGC NET aspirants, okay, to train them to qualify the exam. And so nowadays the public sector units are also offering the jobs based upon these scores. Okay, so some of the top PSUs just like ONGC, NTPC, and shortlist the candidates various positions through this exam. And the government organizations and these companies recruit mainly in the field of, I mean, at present these companies are mainly recruiting in the field of HR, finance, and marketing. Okay, if you want the more details, you can go to their official websites. So recently ONGC in 2019 announced the vacancies or recruitment based upon the net score. See here, it is the qualifications they mentioned for HR executive MBA with 60%, and say UGC NET subject labor welfare, personal management, industrial relations, labor and social welfare, human resource management include the subject codes also. So if you are qualified this subject, I mean this net subject, and if you're having the MBA qualification with 60 percentage of marks, or PG, if you're having these qualifications, I mean apart from, I mean along with your post graduation qualification, net qualification is also mandatory. They are preferring for the recruitment position in the ONGC. So like that, nowadays gradually this net importance is increasing from one exam to another exam, either in the JRF side or in the assistant professor side or in the PSU side. So that's why the importance, I mean the significance to this net exam is also increasing. Okay, and UGC job portal is there, one official portal is there, so candidates can create the online academic profile and search for the job on this portal. Okay, so if you once open this portal and please enter your details, all these things into this one, then the universities, the reputed universities can, there is a chance to the reputed universities to go through your profile in this portal, and they may call you for any type of vacancies in that college or in universities. So it is official portal of the UGC. Okay, so you see here, here through this register column you can register, and after registering, if you want to see your status, you can log in here and see here already the net registered candidates are 41,820, and net plus JRF, it is only for assistant professor, and net plus JRF are registered 1,01,290, and for the ASCT and for the PhD candidates are also registered here. Okay, so you can register like this also. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more instant updates regarding the UGC NET exam. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is AshwiniK, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profiling, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC net electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET Electronic Science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET Electronic Science. Thank you, guys.